Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring expenses in Zoho Books. If you regularly deal with subscription fees, monthly rent, or any expenses that repeat on a schedule, setting up recurring expenses will automate the process and save you tons of time on manual data entry. First, open a web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once you're on the page, log in to your Zoho Books account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has access to your company's financial records, as this is where you'll be managing all your expense tracking. After logging in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find the main navigation menu. Click on Purchases to expand the Purchases menu. This section houses all your purchase-related transactions, from bills to expenses. Within this menu, locate and click on Recurring Expenses. This is the dedicated area where Zoho Books manages all expenses that repeat on a regular schedule. Now you'll see the recurring expenses dashboard. To create a new recurring expense profile, click the plus new button located at the top right corner of the screen. This opens up the configuration window where you'll define all the parameters for your recurring expense. Start by entering a profile name that clearly identifies what this recurring expense is for. Choose something descriptive like office rent or Adobe subscription so you can easily recognize it later. Next, select the Start On date, which tells Zoho Books when this recurring expense should begin processing. This date is crucial as it sets the initial trigger for the automation. Then, choose the Repeat Every frequency that defines how often this expense repeats. You can select options like monthly, weekly, quarterly, or any custom interval that matches your expense cycle. If you want the expense to continue indefinitely, check the Never Expires option. Alternatively, you can set an end on date if you know when the recurring expense will stop. Now you need to specify the financial details. Select the expense account that this expense should be categorized under. This ensures your accounting books remain organized and accurate. Enter the amount for the expense and fill in any additional details, such as whether the amount is tax exclusive or inclusive, which account it's paid through, the vendor name, and you can even add notes for future reference. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click Save to finalize and activate the recurring expense. Zoho Books will now automatically create these expenses according to the schedule you've set up, keeping your financial records consistent without any manual effort. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.